Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aquarius Air Sign. This is July weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to feed in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Aquarius, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Messages for Aquarius. Aquarius. Under the deck, Four of Swords, Ten of Wands, Queen of Pentacles. I think you are feeling overburdened. Maybe you only the person always taking care of this relationship. For some, maybe right now you have so much work to do. Maybe you are busy with your work. You're feeling overburdened. So you're taking break. You're taking rest. For some, in relationship wise, you are healing. You're doing meditation to heal yourself. Lots of you are in no contact situation, and some of you are in no separation. And at the same time, you decided to concentrate on your career, on your abundance. And Aquarius, you are very sharing and caring person. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Hangman, Page of Swords, and the Devil. So you feeling stuck. I think there is no clarity in this connection, especially from your person side. You have clarity from your side, but you have no clarity from their side. They always in and out of your life. Maybe they're not giving clarity about marriage, but lot of spying is going. Maybe you are spying on them or they are spying on you, and they are obsessed with you. For some, this person may be toxic for you, or they're very dominant in their nature, and they want you, but they don't want to take responsibility, that type of situation. Then present Six of Pentacles, Ten of Swords, and Four of Cups. There is no equal give and take. They always treated you as an option, or suddenly they ghosting you, whatever. So there is no equal give and take. You are fed up with that energy because Ten of Swords. So even though you want this person in your life, but you are very tight. Yes, you want to give up and you want to walk away from this connection. And Four of Cups, yes, you are feeling alone without this person, but there is no equal give and take. Then there is no point to continue because there is no stability. And future, Eight of Cups, the Lovers, and Two of Swords. Then you take a move, then you decided to walk away. Yes, there is love, but it's not mutual because you giving too much, but they are in and out of your life. Still, you are at some crossroads. Yes, you decided to walk away, but still some part of you want this person back. But most of you decided to walk away from this connection. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Capricorn, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So Aquarius, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Under the deck, Page of Cups, the Star, and Ten of Wands. See, I think it is becoming hard work for both of you because there is no equal give and take. And for some, family could be the issue here. And Five of Pentacles. Yes. I think cold shouldering and the Star with the Page of Cups. Yeah, they did hurt you. They know. They want to say apology to you. And the Star, they're wishing for this connection. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Two of Wands, Tower, the Star. The person involved in this connection could be Aquarius. And Five of Pentacles with Ten of Wands. Yeah, right now your person feeling overburdened. I think you both are on the same page. So Two of Wands, they are thinking about you a lot. They know they did hurt you in past. That hour, right now they're going through a lot in their life because they are now realizing what they did to you, because in past they are cold shouldering you. Now they are facing that moment or facing another challenge in their life, whatever, but right now they're realizing you both and they're wishing for this connection and they're thinking about you a lot 24/7, Aquarius. So let's see their intentions. Seven of Wands, Seven of Pentacles, 7 7, Knight of Swords. Yeah, I think right now maybe for some it will take some time because Seven of Pentacles, they keep putting on your weight, but they will come forward and they will fight for you because there are some obstacles in this connection, but they want to overcome these obstacles and they're in rush to communicate with you, Aquarius. And yeah, the High Priestess, they are manifesting something. Maybe they're manifesting you and they started listening to their intuition and they want a brand new beginnings with you. Yeah. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Six of Cups and 5. They are thinking about you a lot and they are missing you so much. Now they're suffering in silence. What they did to you, now they are feeling guilty and they're thinking about you and they're thinking about marriage. And King of Wands, yeah, they want to take action. And Seven of Swords, maybe in past they played games with you, now they have regrets. You are focusing on your money, on your abundance. You want to achieve your goals. Yes, you are taking rest and you are focusing on your career. Ten of Wands. Still, you are thinking about them a lot. You are feeling overburdened. So let's see mutual. Yeah, again Ten of Wands. I think it is becoming hard work for both of you guys. And Page of Pentacles, there is some communication is coming for some children also involved in this connection. Right now this connection is stuck and you both are in separation, going through a lot. Yeah, there will be some forward movement, but for some it will take some time. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Player, lot of abundance is coming. Past life connection, new love is coming, options and age difference. So the messages are player, lot of abundance is coming, past life connection, new love is coming, options and age differences. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Luck is on your side, new moon in Sagittarius. And the answers you need are coming full moon in Gemini, Gemini energy. So if you are waiting for any answers, definitely the answers you need are coming, especially when full moon in Gemini. Gemini energy and Sagittarius energy is here. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.